Today we're exploring Stavanger, Norway, a city of 150,000 residents. And this is the oil capital of Norway. Walking through the old town here. As we walk through this city, we'll look at the numbers that make Stavanger one of the wealthiest cities in Europe. Roughly 1 of every 22 Norwegians live in the Stavanger metropolitan area. And unlike many European cities, Stavanger continues to grow steadily. Annual population growth at about 1%. Median age here is 39 years old. Same as the US and 1 year younger than all of Europe as a whole. There's the Sky Princess that we came in on. Due to all the oil here, there's a large foreign-born population, with foreign residents making up about 25 to 30%. And although Norwegian is the official language, nearly everyone under 50 years old speaks excellent English. Which makes it great for me. Average household income is about 105,000 to 125,000 US dollars, and is one of the highest paying cities in Scandinavia. Got this cool little road here to go down, street, pathway, whatever you want to call it, bike path. Unemployment's between 2 and 3%, which is roughly half the rate seen across much of Europe. Resident degrees, 45 to 50% hold university degrees, well above many North American cities. Modern one-bedroom apartment downtown rents for about $12.50 to $17.25 USD a month. There's some reindeer furs. I'm gonna pick one of those up while you're here. Compared to the US, groceries 20 to 40% higher, restaurants 25 to 50% higher. Gas is much more expensive. And healthcare is significantly lower out-of-pocket cost. Norway consistently ranks as one of the safest countries in the world, and it's no different here. Violent crime is uncommon, with a very low homicide rate, low property crime, and extremely safe public transit. Life expectancy here in Norway is 83 years, compared to 77 in the United States. Average temperature 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer, and winter 34 to 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Top tax rates here fairly high, reaching 45%. Each year, the city welcomes approximately 1 million visitors. All right, and that looks like to be about the end of Old Town. Thanks for taking a look at our little walk around. Hit that subscribe button if you liked it. Like button. Hopefully we see you around here again. Thanks for watching.